Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Corsair HS55 headset. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so first we need to power off the headset, so ensure your headset is completely turned off. So go ahead and hold down the power button, which is F on this photo. Then we need to initiate the reset, so press and hold the mute button on the headset. So that's it here, A. So press and hold that for around 15 to 20 seconds. Then from there, we need to power back on the headset. So after holding the mute button, press and hold the power button until the headset turns back on. Then from there, simply test the headset to see if it's functioning correctly after the reset. Now, if you're still experiencing issues after performing the reset, what we might need to do is charge the headset. So ensure the headset is adequately charged. If the battery level is very low, the headset might not power on as expected. Also, we might need to update the firmware, so connect the headset to your PC and use the Corsair ICUE software to check for and install any available firmware updates. And also check the LED indicators, so observe the LED indicators on the headset for any blinking patterns that might indicate specific issues. And if the problem persists, just go ahead and contact Corsair's customer support for further assistance.